So what is creative ideation? First of all, creativity is nothing more than solving a problem. Everybody solves problems every day. Halloween costume, what am I making for dinner, etc. When you create an idea, you want to give yourself lots of different ways to think about it. So start with, who are you trying to talk to? What is this person's day like? What's really going on with them? What are the best ideas? The first things that come off the top of your head. Then, what are the worst ideas? If you wanted to ruin this person's day, ruin this person's life, your evil twin, what would you do? Then you ask yourself, okay, now what's really going on in the larger context, whether it's a customer or a management person that you're talking to, what's the full circle of what makes that person feel like a rock star and what makes them feel like a terrible day? How could what you're talking about make that good day better or that bad day worse? Then give yourself permission to misbehave. Think of a great innovator or a great communicator. What would that person do? Go crazy. If it's Steve Jobs, if it's Abraham Lincoln, if it's Michelangelo, Madonna, whoever you want to pick, just go nuts. What would that person do? Now, how could you use that idea? Bring it all together. So the key to ideation is really give yourself lots of different questions, different angles. Your brain will work differently, and your solutions will be even more fun.